Hi parents, this is Dr. Aisha Tasneem, consultant ENT surgeon at Asian ENT Hyderabad. So with your kids going back to school, you're always worried if they'll catch cold or if they'll catch some kind of ear infection, nose infection or oral cavity infection during this season. Because as the temperatures are cooling down, there's more risk of infection in children. So what can you do to prevent all these infection in your children? The first most important thing to teach your children is to wash your hands properly. So teaching them hand hygiene is important because whatever infections are coming these days, the main source is your hands. So once the hand is clean, the infection reaching from the hands to the nose and mouth reduces drastically. So teach them hand hygiene properly and teach them not to touch their nose and mouth very frequently because most of the infection spreads through respiratory droplets. So if one child is getting infected, the other child gets infected too very easily because of the respiratory droplets. So one thing to do is maintaining hand hygiene properly, and the next thing to do is asking them to keep their nose clean, nose and oral cavity clean. How do you do that? Whenever their nose is stuffy, asking them to blow very gently, not very forcefully. That also will help because generally in people and in even children, we have something called as eustachian tube, which is there between our nose and ear, which connects that. So whenever we have cold, this tube kind of gets blocked and there is fluid in the middle ear. So deen wala children will be like, they'll not be able to hear properly, or they'll be like, if they're watching TV and you have to shout to call them, then you have to be suspicious that something is going wrong with their ears. So whenever such things happen, please make a point that you visit a doctor, because in such cases where because of the cold environment and because of constant infections there is fluid in the middle ear of a child, it can lead to deafness later on. That is the reason a simple procedure called as grommet insertion can help relieving that fluid from the middle ear and making the child hear more better. So parents, be aware of these things and get your child to the hospital in case of any emergencies or anything which is related to this weather. Thank you.